Hey 40 plusers, Deborah here. Greetings and salutations. It is Ipsy Day. And I'm very excited. We have 5 items. And this is a really nice woven bag. I love it. Love, love, love. Matching zipper pull, Ipsy. And it is woven, true woven. And you can see through the lining, see the woven. So we have the first item up is a Julie G nail color. The color, let's see the color. Let's see. Comes with a $1 off Rite Aid coupon. I don't have any Julie G, so that's interesting that we get a coupon. Color is Damsel. On my nails is Psychedelic Jellyfish. They've finally grown out enough that I can paint them. So this is Damsel, like damsel in distress. Here, it's pink against the purple. It's a blue toned pink. Cream. Very pretty. The second item is a single shadow sampler, maybe full-size single shadow from the Balm from the Nude Dude palette. This is the shade where is the shade? Fit. This is the shade Fit. There you go. It's a very cute little single. And the color is a peachy copper right here with a sheen in it. That's pretty, 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 pretty. The third item is a Honey Silk Facial Serum from Hey Honey for all skin types. Apply it under your day or night cream. Use it under makeup. Smooth, glossy appearance to your skin. Avoid if you are allergic to honey. Avoid contact with eyes. I would also think avoid if you're allergic to bees. So this is from heyhoney.com, Denver, Colorado company. Okay, it comes out like that. And it is just a touch liquidy. It is not a sweet scent, it's a floral scent. Wow. And I have it all over my hands. Okay, that's a floral scent. No me gusta, the scent. We'll see if it lingers. Maybe I won't be using that. Okay, from Starlooks. I have Starlooks eyeliners. I love them a lot, especially the Gem Orchid and Gem Galaxy. This is the shade Cuddle. And it looks like it's a metallic. I don't know what I think about that. Easiest way to open packaging is open the lid. Sweet scent. Sticky. I can already tell it's sticky. Scent is awesome. Okay, right there. It is a peach glittery. It is glittery gloss. And I think it's sticky. I don't have my lips obviously, but it feels sticky. At least it doesn't taste sweet. Like some of them that actually put aspartame or cane sugar in that, I can't abide. It makes me want to eat. And so that's the Starlooks Lip Gloss in Cuddle. It's a peach with glitter, and it's sticky. Maybe it gets unsticky after a while. I don't know. Okay, and this last thing is Sophisticated and Sensual. This is a mini roller ball. And it is very citrusy. Let's give this a whirl. Sophisticated and Sensual. I don't think that's sensual at all. It smells like laundry detergent. Lemony laundry detergent. It's not a bad smell. It's very citrusy. Not sensual in my definition. You know, that doesn't bring up black lingerie, and there's nothing sensual about it. It is sweet and citrusy and lively. So those are the 5 items. Julie G, Starlooks, Nude Dude Fit. Hey honey, good morning. Honey Silk Facial Serum. I might not be able to get past the scent on that. And the roller ball. So all in all, the bag is my favorite thing in this month. Then the nail polish. Then the eyeshadow, but I have a lot of these coppery shades now. Enough already. And the other 3 are eh. So this is Deborah. Be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. Check us out on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and the blog. Someday I'll start updating it. Bye.